Panchayat. Speaker sir, the allocation of the Panchayat is rupees 356.95 crores. Speaker sir, in recognition of the services provided by the representatives of the rural local bodies, I propose to increase the honorarium provided by the government to Sarpanch, Deputy Sarpanch and Panch from rupees 6,000 to 8,000, 4,500 to 6,500 and 3,500 to 5,500 respectively. For this purpose, the total provision of 12 crores has been made. Further, it is observed that the honorarium are majorly delayed due to the administrative procedure involved in the release of honorarium. I propose to implement the mechanism through which the honorarium will be credited at the end of every month to each Panch member. Speaker sir, I have made the provision of rupees 16 crores for the North Goa and South Goa Jilla Panchayat for their establishment expenses. Further, I have allowed the developmental works to the extent of rupees 50 lakhs per ZP member for taking up the various work in their respective area. Fully equipped Jilla Bhavan will also be set up in both the districts. Speaker sir, to avoid the duplication of the work by multiple agencies such as Panchayat, Jilla Panchayat, PWD, RDA, etc., I propose to implement a GIA-based monitoring system for works, which will help the government in geotagging infrastructure works. Speaker sir, for the rural garbage disposal, the fund of rupees 3.5 crores has been earmarked and rupees 17.50 crores have been earmarked for the infrastructure development in Panchayat. Over and above this provision of rupees 6 crores has been made for the infrastructure development under the Deen Dayal Infrastructure Development Scheme. सभापती महोदय, स्वच्छ भारत मिशन ग्रामीण योजनेचो हेतू सगळ्या गांवगिरी वाठारांतल्यान दर एका घरात शौचालयाची व्यवस्था करप आणि तशेंच जय जय जमीन मेळटा थंय थंय सामुदायिक नितळसाण संकुल बांदप, गोवा उक्तेपणान शौच मुक्त करप. आदीच 17,916 वैयक्तिक घरगुती शौचालय व्यवस्था केल्या आणि ही योजने खाला 1,028 सामुदायिक शौचालय बांधल्या. आम्ही गाव नितळ करप, सामाजिक प्रेरित करप आणि शिक्षण दिवप पावलां उभारल्यात. हाच्या खातीर ह्या वर्सा 96.73 कोटीची तरतूद केल्या. Speaker sir, in order to ensure that the grants from the governments are effectively distributed to the village panchayat, I propose to make this grant allocation process fully online, wherein the quantum of grants allotted will be the function of the efforts of the panchayat in revenue augmentation, implementation of double entry account system, etc.